Hello friends, in this video we will look at how to create a data frame in Python from scratch and use various attributes and properties on that data frame. So first of all, let us define the data frame. So we will import the pandas because data frame is defined in pandas. So import pandas as PD and let us execute this. There is no problem, pandas is installed. Then we are going to define the data frame elements. So we have dt1 is equal to pd dot d capital data and frame f capital frame, and within the brackets we are going to define a dictionary of elements. Now we have to take care, the key of the dictionary will be the column name and the value will be the values of that column, and values of the column for all the fields should be same. That means if there are 3 fields in the first one, then the remaining 2 will also have 3 rows. That care has to be taken, otherwise there will be a problem. So let us say I define the first field as name, and this has 3 values. I am using 3. If you are using more, it is fine. So we have Arjun here, then we have Geeta, and similarly we define Radha. So this is the first field in the data frame. Then we define the next field, age, and for age I give 3 values, say 12, 13 and 16, and then I give the third field and say it is the height, and for height I give the values 4, 6, 5.5. say I make this one 7, and then we have 5.5. so like this we have defined the dictionary and we have supplied this as a value to the data frame. Now let us print this data frame to see what is the output. And when we run the code, we see the output. The column name is name, age and height, and there are 3 rows 0, 1, 2 which have the age of the 3 people and height that we have defined. Then we are using the dt1.shape attribute which is present in the data frame class, and it is telling us there are 3 fields and there are 3 rows in each field. So this is the shape which gives you the dimension of the data frame, how many rows and how many columns are there in the data frame. Then we use the dt1.columns field of data frame, and it tells us there are 3 columns, name, age and height. And similarly we can use other methods of the data frame class on this particular dt1 that we have created manually, and our detailed guide is available online in which all the methods of the pandas class are discussed. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, recommend to your friends, share the links of my videos on various social media platforms. Thank you very much.